Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back. It has been so long since I filmed a video. If you've been following me on Instagram for a while, you know that filming has been something that I've really wanted to get back to, but life has just been so crazy. You would not believe. I love creating different makeup looks for you guys, different tutorials, and sharing, like beauty tips and tricks and fashion ideas. So I was just really excited to be able to finally sit down and film a tutorial. I would love to give a huge shout out and thank you to Qing Beauty for sponsoring this video today, and also for gifting me the beautiful eyeshadow palette that we'll be working with. I'll include a link to their Instagram account as well as a link to the eyeshadow palette that we'll be using. So if you're interested, you can check it out. And also I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video, or if you just want to see anything new from me in the future. And also I'll include links to all of my social media platforms if you want to join the fam as well. Alright, without further ado, let's get into the video. Today we will be using the Qing Beauty Febble Meet Beauty Eyeshadow palette. There are 42 beautiful matte, metallic, and pressed glitter eyeshadow shades in this palette. They are so pigmented, blendable, and perfect to create any colorful look. Today I wanted to show you how I created this warm tone neutral eyeshadow look with a pop of turquoise blue on the lid. Using the shade Dawn, I cover my entire eyelid with this white neutral shade. Next, I will be buffing out the shade Bumble from my crease to my brow bone. This is going to be the first transition shade that we'll be using in this look. You gotta love a good rust shade. Now I'm using the shade Busy Bee from the eyeshadow palette to really deepen up and bring warmth to my crease. Now I'm just going back with that large fluffing brush to blend out all of my shadows. Now using a small detail crease blending brush, I picked up that Hot Cocoa and Mocha shade and brought it out to my inner corner, and I'm buffing it out into my crease. You want to make sure you're not blending up the dark brown shades up too far because you still want to be able to see the warm rust colored shades. Now I am blending the shades Busy Bee and Hot Cocoa along my lower lash line to carry out all of the shades throughout the entire look. Using a flat shading brush, I picked up some of that gorgeous blue shade called Mixtape from the palette, and I'm just patting that along my lid. I did spray my brush with some setting spray to dampen it a little bit, just so I can have the most impact for that blue shade. Now using an angled blending brush, I patted down some of the Dancing Shoes shade to my outer corner. I'm gradually fading in the Dancing Shoes shade into that beautiful turquoise blue. I'm not blending it into my crease at all, I just want to focus it on my lid. I'm also going to carry out that navy blue shade onto my lower lash line to finish off the look. This part is completely optional, but I wanted to add a little bit more pizzazz to this eyeshadow look. I grabbed a gold glitter eyeliner from my makeup stash and just brushed it gently onto my crease. Now I'm adding the bright yellow shade called Sunkissed from the palette onto my inner corner, and to finish this look off, I'll just add some mascara and some false lashes. And here is the completed look. Alright you guys, that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, I would absolutely adore it if you gave it a thumbs up. Let me know what your favorite vacation spot is down in the comments below, and also if you have any requests for future videos that you want to see from me, I would love to hear those as well. Alright you guys, that's it. Have a blessed week.